We have been celebrating the International Yoga Day on June 21st from 2015 onwards. The theme of Yoga Day 2020 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family as decided by the United Nations.
The Young Brigade of Talks has done a wonderful job motivating all Talksians to observe International Yoga Day. Congratulations to Dr. Nausheen and team, and we look forward to many such coordinated activities in the future. Thank you.
Hi, Talks is a family. It was a pleasure to see the energy and enthusiasm of our youngsters in conducting this program. Best wishes to all.
We are happy to have two eminent personalities with us today who are going to teach us about the basics of yoga. The first person is Mr. Praveen K.E., who is based in Bangalore, but originally he is from Thrissur. He is a certified personal trainer. He specialized in power yoga and CrossFit, and he is going to teach our members how to do Surya Namaskar.
Thrissur Obstetric and Gynecological Society, in collaboration with FOGSI and KFOG, celebrates International Yoga Day 2020. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. Some of the benefits of the Surya Namaskar are: it is an excellent cardiovascular workout. It stimulates the nervous system, helps in stretching, flexing and toning the muscles, can be used for weight loss management, strengthens the immune system, enhances cognitive functions. It improves overall health, strengthens the body and relaxes the mind. There are different versions of the Surya Namaskar that can be done according to the fitness levels of the person. On a spiritual level, it is an expression of gratitude to the sun for sustaining life on our planet. All in all, regular practice of the Surya Namaskar can make a very good impact on the body and mind.
Next, we have none other than Mrs. Mini Ravindran, who has been in this field for last 25 years. She runs her own academy called Yoganjali. She is specialized in pregnancy and yoga. And today she is going to tell you about the advantages of doing yoga during pregnancy, and she will also show us some poses which we can tell our patients to adopt.
Hari Om. There are certain limitations for doing yoga during pregnancy. We give them a package of meditation, pranayama, yogasanas and yoga nidra. Meditation is usually done to bring the mind from chanchalavastha to ekagrata. Pranayama means it is the expansion or extension of the life force in you. Sticking the mind to the in and out movements of the breath. It helps to manage the shortness of the breath. Slowly and deeply, the pranayama must be done very slowly and deeply. Example, Brahmari pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi pranayama can be done. Mind gets relaxed. Next is the yogasanas, gentle stretching exercises like ankle stretch breathing, hands in and out breathing, Titli asana, Marjarasana can be done. It reduces the tension in the muscles and releases the stress around the cervix by opening up the pelvic region. Then finally to the Yoga Nidra or final relaxation, it reduces the stress in the muscles and full body gets calm and cool. And slowly the heart rate, it restores the heart rate and the breathing rate. Second one, we can look Titli Asana. butterfly posture. For this, keep your feet together. Pregnant ladies, they will be able to keep the feet only this much and all. Otherwise, it is usually done to very closer. But for pregnant ladies, they can keep like this. Catch hold of the toes. Sit straight. Then slowly, but in normal breathing, gently flap both the knees of both the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that, they can count up to 80 or up to 100 counts. Like that. And while entering the asana, slowly, slowly, very gently, they can stop the asana and stretch the legs. And the sitting posture relaxation is Sithila Dandasana, either the head to the right side or to the center or to the right side. This asana helps to relieve the tension around the cervix. Gently to relaxation.
Hello everyone, we conducted an online live yoga program. Any group task is fun, challenging and memorable, and that's exactly the motive behind this initiative. The enthusiasm and the feedback of the Talksians was overwhelming and mind-blowing. As someone rightly said, motivating each other is the hardest asana, and Talksians in every aspect kept that spirit high. Thank you.
On the occasion of the International Yoga Day 2020, many members of Talks who regularly practice yoga for a sound mind and body observed the theme of the year being Yoga at Home and inspired all for a very healthy life.
As part of International Yoga Day 2020, Talks in association with Foxy is organizing a creative contest, the theme being anything related to yoga or substance abuse. All members of Talks, including their family members and children, are invited to participate, and we are giving away exciting prizes. Any form of expression is allowed, including paintings, pictures, posters, collage, or even short videos.
Hello everyone, it gave us great pleasure to find the little ones and the family members of the Talksians actively participating in the competition by sending their creative expressions in the form of poems, paintings, posters, short video clips and many more. Hats off to all of you for the enthusiasm and eagerness shown in supporting us. Thank you.
Always, the energy and enthusiasm was on the high. It was such an immense pleasure to see our seniors on their toes for the yoga sessions. A lot of colorful and innovative ideas were put forth by the Toxians and their kids for the competitions held for the International Yoga Day and World Drug Day. Let us stay safe and work with all the precautions in this pandemic and always remain happy because your life is your creation.